You hungry today, Rufus? Oh, Rufus hungry today. A little more. Atta boy. We'll get you another one. You do a little jumping routine today for me? Come on, honey. Do your jumping routine. Oh, poor baby. Atta boy. Who's next? Here we go. Come on, honey. Atta boy. Come on. Oh, we got it. How's that video, Ma?
Well, I don't know. I hope it's
Zooming right in?
Hope it's working.
Getting any good pictures? Can you see the fishies? Can you see the fishies?
Yes, yes.
There, boys. There's one. Ooh, they're having a little argument. Ouch, that's my thumb. Did you get that, Ma? You got my
Howie,
thumb.
I don't even know.
Whoa! Did you get that? I almost caught him. Did you see that? Did you get that, Grandma? Grandma! Come on. That's the jumper there. He wants to get a good chance at this, but come on, boys. One more. It's the last one. Oh, he missed. His cousin will get it. Now he's got to go chase him away. See, he thinks he's gonna get it. He's right. If you don't come and get this, atta boy.